Welcome to the world of culinary wonders. Today, we're going to unlock the secret to making creamy homemade mayonnaise, a versatile condiment that has the power to elevate your dishes from good to gourmet. Imagine starting with a large egg yolk at room temperature, whisking it with a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and a splash of white wine vinegar or lemon juice. This forms the base of your mayonnaise. The magic starts to happen when you slowly add a cup of vegetable oil or light olive oil, a few drops at a time, whisking constantly. This is emulsification, the process that turns these simple ingredients into a rich and creamy delight. Once the mixture begins to thicken, you can add the oil in a slow, steady stream, whisking constantly. This is the moment when the mayonnaise comes alive. It thickens, turns creamy, and transforms into the delectable condiment that we all know and love. Season with salt to taste, and if you're feeling adventurous, add a pinch of sugar for balance. Transfer the mayonnaise to a clean jar or airtight container and refrigerate until ready to use. Homemade mayonnaise can typically last for about 1 week in the refrigerator. Now, the possibilities are endless. Spread it on sandwiches, mix it into salads, use it as a base for a variety of dips and sauces, or even incorporate it into your baking for an added touch of moisture and richness. Remember, the secret to a great mayonnaise lies in the emulsification process. The egg yolk and acid act as emulsifiers, helping to stabilize the mixture and prevent it from separating. Adding the oil slowly while whisking vigorously helps create a stable emulsion and achieve the desired creamy consistency. So why buy store-bought when you can whip up a batch of homemade mayonnaise in your own kitchen? Go ahead, give it a try. You might just surprise yourself. And if you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Your support encourages us to bring more such content your way. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to know when we upload more videos. Thank you for tuning in. Happy cooking!